Okay, salam. This is Afro English Yuka. Today we'll exercise on foreign nations. Those are indicator of present perfect tense or present perfect continuous. So, what is the main difference between them? So we're gonna see their difference easily, man. So, ስለዚህ look, foreign ስንጠቀም for ሁሌ duration length of time. It's just talks about what duration, the period of time, a period for 2 days, 4 weeks, for an hour, for 5 years, for long times. This is called duration, length of times. Since it's starting point or when it begin, a starting point, a specific point in the time, specific point which much in December. The name of, in other words, it is called the name of period or time or year. So በዛግ የምንጠቀመው since Monday, since Wednesday, since January, since I was children memory እነዚህ በጣም በቀላሉ ኢዴ ሚሞሪ ለማድረግ የሚጠቅሙን እንትኖቹ ናቸው። እነዚህ በቀላሉ እስቲ እነዚህን ሚሞራብል ኢድሪ ትሪክስ ሚሞራል ትሪኮችን እነሱም for 5 minutes, for 5 minutes, for 50 years ፔሪዶች የሚያው since specific time or date. So the specific time or the name of period ማለት the name of period የምንጠቀመው ይሄንን ነው። So ይሄንን ካየን let's look at the questions here. Around you do have 8 questions. We're gonna do it. I just do it 6-1. The remaining 2 is you're gonna feel it. Up to you, and just put your answer on your comment sections. So let's do the first one. Since and for ስንጠቀም ምንድነው የምናያቸው? አሁን I have been waiting dash minute ይሄ እቺ ነው የምናየው dash minute ይሄ the name of አይደለም። so ስለዚህ duration of time አይደለም። I have been waiting for 30 minutes duration of time, length of time ስንት ነው? The answer goes to 4 ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት 4 ካላችሁ the best answer. We're gonna use here 4. The first one is the answer goes to here 4. Number 2, she has been working here. This is a starting point. Starting point ከሆነ እዚህ ላይ ደግሞ we have to use since ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ሁለተኛ since ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። Number 3, they have been married dash period of time. period of time or duration of time ከሆነ ሁሌ the answer goes to 4 ካላችሁ the best answer. 4 ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት ነው። So the other one is number 4. Number 3, they have been married dash 10 years. So duration of time, the other time we have to use 4 ምንለው ማለት ነው። We haven't seen each other dash last summer. አታች starting point though. This is starting point. Starting point በተጨምሮ since the name of that day, specific day, that at that time since ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። Number 5, he has been sick dash duration ነው። ሁሌ እነዚህ ቃላቶች ካለ period of time ከሆነ duration of time ከሆነ we have to use 4 is the best answer. Number 6, I have now here dash I was children. Starting point ይሄ starting point ከሆነ the answer goes to since ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። Number 7 and then number 8 for you, Larry, for you. The store has been open dash 9 a.m. You're gonna feel it since or for. Number 8, they have lived in London dash a long times. You're gonna feel it too. Up to you. This is Afro English. Thank you very much.